The parabola y equals x minus 7 to second power intersects the line y equals 16 at 2 points K and L. What is the length of segment KL? So let me sketch our parabola. Because of coefficient before x minus 7 is positive, it means that the parabola is open up. What else? This is our parabola y equals x minus 7 to second power. We know that the line y equals 16 intersects our parabola at 2 points. So let's, for example, draw here our line y equals 16. And this will be our point K and L point. We need to find the distance, the length of this segment. So in other words, the distance between point K and L. What we can say about these 2 points? These 2 points will have the same, the second coordinates. The y coordinates will be 16. So our unknown is only the first coordinate. Let's put that this is x1 and the second will be 16, and here will be x2 and the second coordinates is 16y, because the line which cut our parabola is y equals 16. So we need to find x1 and x2 only. When we have x1 and x2, we will find the distance between these 2 points. So let me copy the equation of our parabola. We have y is equal x minus 7 to second power. And because we have given the second line y equals 16, we have 2 equations, 2 unknowns. We can substitute y in the second equation by 16. So we have 16 is equal x minus 7 to second power. And now 16 is equal x minus 7 to second power. Which number raised to second power give me 16? It can be positive 4 or negative 4. Or how we can solve this equation also? We will raise x minus 7 to second power. So this is 16 is equal x minus 7 to second power. So this is x squared minus 2 times x times 7. So it will be 14x plus 7 to second power is 49. I just use formula when we have a minus b to second power. This is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In our example, a is x, b is 7. So now I will move 16 to the right side. So we will have x squared minus 14x, and I will change the sides, plus 49 minus 16. This is equal 0. So x squared minus 14x, it will be plus 49 minus 16. So this is 33 equals 0. And now to solve this quadratic equation, we will use factoring method. We have to find 2 numbers which I multiply, and I will have 33. And when I add these numbers, I will have negative 14. So it will be negative 3 and negative 11. So we can rewrite the left side that this is x minus 3 times x minus 11. This is equal 0. Let's check. Negative 3 plus negative 11 is negative 14. Negative 3 times negative 11 is 33. Everything is okay. And now, when the left side will be equal 0? When x minus 3 will be 0, or x minus 11 will be 0. So x is equal 3, or x is equal 11. We got 2 solutions. So we have our first coordinates of our points K and L. If you don't see now that the second coordinate is 16, maybe let me draw XY plane. And now we will draw our parabola, because we have given here that equation of our parabola is x minus 7 to second power. Like I said, parabola is open up because coefficient before parentheses is positive. What else? We can read the vertex of our parabola from this equation. Let me remind you maybe formula, general form of quadratic equation, from which we can read the vertex of parabola when we have y is equal a x minus e to second power plus q. P and q are coordinates of vertex. So we have our equation y is equal x minus 7 to second power. From this equation we see that a, coefficient before x minus 7 to second power, is invisible, so is invisible 1, and p is whatever we subtract from x. So the first coordinate is 7, and because we don't have here any number, it means that q is 0. So we have vertex of our parabola. So we can find, let's put here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have vertex of our parabola 7, 0. Like I said, parabola is open up, so it's something like this. This is our vertex. And what else? We have that our parabola intersects the line y equals 16. So let's put that you have here approximately here 16. So this is our line y equals 16. And this is our point K and point L. We need to find the distance between these 2 points, the segment, the length of KL segment. So how we do this? We find the coordinates of these 2 points. Like I said, the y coordinate is 16 because y is equal 16. So what else? We found that x is 3 and 11. So first coordinate will be 3, the second 16, and the second point is 11 and 16. We have coordinates. The second coordinates are the same 16. So how we find the distance between K and L? The segment KL is equal what? 11 minus 3, because these values are positive, so we don't have to put absolute value. We have 11 minus 3, so this is equal 8. The distance between these 2 points, so the length of the segment KL is 8 units. This is my solution.